we're gonna point 8,301 lasers at the moon and see what happens. These are typical laser pointers, and we're gonna gather 8,301 of them and point them at the moon. But because the moon is so massive, we're gonna put 1 million more just to make sure it works. So what happens next is pretty obvious, right? Yep, nothing happens. But why? The thing is that the power of the pointers is so small that even using them all, we'd only be able to burn a piece of paper or wood. So, because of that, we raised the question, how many lasers do we need to destroy the moon? Well, the first thing to do in here will be to replace our lasers for more powerful ones. Then, we're gonna use this formula to calculate the energy required to destroy the moon. Next, we're gonna see how much energy the lasers have in a year. And finally, we use this relationship to find the required amount of lasers. Therefore, the number of lasers required to destroy the moon is 3.8 quintillion lasers. And if that number doesn't mean anything to you, just remember that it's the equivalent to 475,000 lasers for every human on Earth. But the moon is not the only thing that we can destroy, isn't it? What about destroying the Earth using atoms?